Our team did an exceptional job on the Ferrari 488, using the Ceramic Pro Life package to elevate its already impressive appearance. The sleek gloss black finish on the roof of the vehicle stands out as a bold statement, contrasting beautifully with the other colors on the car. The stripes our team added were not only a visually striking addition, but also served to add an extra level of unique style. The Ceramic Pro Life package we used is a powerful coating system that truly brings out the natural shine of the Ferrari 488. It provides long-lasting protection against harsh environmental factors like UV rays, bird droppings, and dirt and dust buildup. Not only will the owner of this Ferrari be impressed with the stunning appearance of their vehicle, they will also be able to enjoy peace of mind knowing that its high-quality coating will provide lasting protection. Our professional team takes a meticulous approach to detailing and coating each vehicle, utilizing our advanced techniques to ensure that every surface is expertly cared for. From the body to the rims, we ensure that every inch of the Ferrari 488 is treated with the utmost care and attention. Our team is skilled at identifying even the smallest imperfections or blemishes, and we take steps to address these issues before applying the Ceramic Pro Life coating. The end result of our job is a gorgeously upgraded Ferrari 488 that looks even better than it did when it left the factory. It is evidence of our team's commitment to exceptional craftsmanship and mastery of the latest technology in the automotive industry. The owner can now proudly flaunt their beautifully coated vehicle, certain to turn heads wherever they go. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay tuned to our upcoming videos.